Yes, remaining part of exercise 13.7. Question number 7. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 30 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. First of all, see the figure. Twelve cm, 5 cm, 13 cm. Revolve. A, B, C. Question number 7. After revolving we get a cone in which h is equal to 12 cm, r equal to 5 cm. Therefore, volume equal to 1 by 3 pi square h, 1 upon 3, 22 by 7, 5 into 5 into 12 cm cube. This is 4, 22 into 100 by 7 cm cube equal to 22 this by 7 cm cube. Answer. Question number 8. If the triangle ABC in the question number 7 above is revolved about the side 5 cm, then find the volume of the solid so obtained. In this case, the height is 5 cm, radius is 12 cm. Find also the ratio of the volume of the two solids obtained in question number 7 and 8. Same problem है, इसको solve it yourself. Question number 9. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 cm. Question number 9. Given D equal to 10.5 meter. Therefore, R is equal to D by 2. 10.5 by 2 meter. 105 upon 20 meter equal to 21 by 4 meter. The height h is equal to 3 meter. Find its volume. Volume equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, 1 by 3, 22 by 7. R means 21 by 4 into 21 by 4. Value of h 3 meter cube. This is cancel 3 and what's it 2 11 equal to 11 into 3 into 21 by 2 into 4 meter cube, 33 into 21 by 8 meter cube. This is your answer. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas. Second part of the question, First of all, we have to find out the value of L. L equal to h square plus r square. Height is 3 square plus 21 by 4 का square. This is 9 plus 441 upon 16. Sixteen 144 plus 441 585 by 16 by 4. Area of canvas equal to curved surface area of hip pi r L 22 by 7, r means 21 by 4 into under root 585 upon 4. This is 366 into under root 585 by 16 मीटर स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. Volume of sphere. Number 1. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Number 2. Volume of hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Exercise 13.8. Number 1. Find the volume of a sphere whose radius is 7 cm. First, given r is equal to 7 cm, volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 22 by 7, 7 into 7 into 7 cm cube. This is cancel. 88 into 49 by 3 cm cube. This is your answer. Question number 2. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical ball of diameter this. First, given d equal to 28 cm, r is equal to d by 2 28 by 2 cm equal to 14 cm. Amount of water displaced by a ball equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 r means 14 into 14 cm cube. This is 288 into 2 into 196 by 3 cm cube. आंसर हो जाएगा. Question number 3. The diameter of a metallic ball is given D equal to 4.2 cm, R is equal to D by 2, 4.2 by this cm equal to 21 point this cm. What is the mass of the ball? What is the mass of the ball if the density of metal is 8.9 cm cube? Volume of metallic ball by 3 pi r cube 4 by 3 22 by 7 21.2.1 cm cube 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 21 by 10 21 by 10 21 by 10 cm cube. This is 3 cancel equal to 88 into 441 upon 1000 cm cube. Required mass equal to 8.9 into 88 into 441 upon 1000 gram. Nine into 88 into 44 by 1 per 40 ग्राम. यही आंसर होगा.